hear the old man speak. Plant your foot in the soil and keep your spirit sleep. He say life no be luck alone, it a rule and rhythm too. Every hand will the hard, get the sweet thing coming true. So me lift up me chin when the road get rough, 'cause the roots them know we stronger than enough. From the mud come wisdom, from the wound come song. One covenant, one people hold firm and stay strong. Breadfruit covenant, feed we soul again. Breadfruit covenant, stand true sun and rain. Mash up fear, leave grace. Leave grace. Leave grace. Breadfruit covenant, we rise, eh. Me see the hungry eye and the greedy one too. One man hoard the whole heap, while the next one get few. But breadfruit in a season, teach the truth plain and clear. If you share the table, brethren, there's more than enough here. So me lift up me hand for the youth, them know. Let them learn from the elders how fi bend not bow. No gold chain wisdom, no false bright show. Just the patient road and the fruit we grow. Breadfruit covenant, feed we soul again. Breadfruit covenant, stand true sun and rain. Mash up fear, leave grace. Leave grace. Leave grace. Breadfruit covenant, we rise, eh. When the river run low and the sky look thin, still the seed of memory, still the light living. Truth is a hard yam, but it fill the belly right. Walk with humble steps, my friend, and your future shine bright. Breadfruit covenant, oh, feed we soul again, born again. Breadfruit covenant, stand true sun and rain. Mash up fear, leave grace. Leave grace. Leave grace. Breadfruit covenant, Lada, we rise, eh. Lada, hold the hand, hold the hand. Breadfruit covenant, till the day come round again. Yeah. Down inna the yard, hear the old folks talk. Say every seed carry a road and a walk. Breadfruit tree stand like a promising stone. Feed whole community, never left one alone. Mama said, son, every belly got a prayer. Every rough season bring a next one there. So me plant good heart where the bad breeze blow. Watch all the small things make the big things grow. When the rain come hard and the light get in, hold on the root, make the spirit live in. No rush the fruit, let the blessing mature. What done in truth, brethren, that will endure. Breadfruit covenant, hold it tight. Breadfruit covenant, day and night. Feed the soul and satisfy. Rise up strong, don't ask why. Breadfruit covenant, bless the land. Breadfruit covenant, man to man. Some of them chase gold, some of them chase name. But name can't cook and gold can't tame. Me watch the brethren split over small pride. Till longer come now and them mouth get white. So me say unity sweeter than sugar cane. One pot, one love is the struggle and pain. If you share your love, you not lose no crown. You a nation heal. If the young one learn how the elders feel, take the bitterness out and plant the seed. Every pure intention turn to need, made need. Breadfruit covenant, hold it tight. Breadfruit covenant, day and night. Feed the soul and satisfy. Rise up strong, don't ask why. Breadfruit covenant, bless the land. Breadfruit covenant, man to man. So when the branch lean low and the breeze sing soft, members of the covenant lift each other up. Breadfruit inna the sun, truth inna the bone. We no walk alone, we no walk alone. Yeah, da-na-na. Oh yeah, na-na-na. Yeah. Down inna the yard, hear the old folks talk. Say every seed carry a road and a walk. Breadfruit tree stand like a promising stone. Feed whole community, never left one lone. Mama say, son, every belly got a prayer. Every rough season bring a next one there. So me plant Buddha where the bad breeze blow. Watch how the small things make the big things grow. When the rain come hard and the light get thin, hold on the root, make the spirit live in. No rush the fruit, let the blessing mature. What done in truth, brethren, that will endure. Breadfruit covenant, hold it tight. Breadfruit covenant, day and night. Feed the soul and satisfy. Rise up strong, don't ask why. Breadfruit covenant, bless the land. Breadfruit covenant, man to man. Some of them chase gold, some of them chase name, but name can't cook and gold can't tame. Me watch the brethren split over small pride till hunger come knock and them mouth get wide. So me say unity sweeter than sugar cane. One pot, one love is the struggle and pain. If you share your love, you no lose no crown. You just build one bridge where the earth come down. When the night get long and the road look bent, remember the covenant and what it meant. Not just food for your one, but faith for your sight. A righteous heart keep the whole world bright. Breadfruit covenant, hold it tight. Breadfruit covenant, day and night. Feed the soul and satisfy. Rise up strong, don't ask why. Breadfruit covenant, bless the land. Breadfruit covenant, man to man, pan, pan, pan. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, if the poor man smile at a nation heal. If the young one learn how the elders feel, take the bitterness out and plant the seed. Every pure intention turn to need, make me. Breadfruit covenant, hold it tight. Breadfruit covenant, day and night. Feed the soul and satisfy. Rise up strong, don't ask why. Breadfruit covenant, bless the land. Breadfruit covenant, man to man. So when the branch lean low and the breeze sing soft, members of the covenant lift each other out. Breadfruit inna the sun, truth inna the bone. We no walk alone, we no walk alone. Beneath the tree we find a sign. Breadfruit heavy but it bend in time. Make no boast, just humility. One root strong, feed the whole family. From the yard to the mountainside, same sunshine on every skin and pride. Me say life no rush, it grow like rain. Even hard mud teach a man true pain. So when the breeze come, hear me reason. Every heart got it, proper season. Hold firm now, don't lose your way. Jah put light in a common day. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Stand firm, stand firm. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Feed one another. From root to branch we share. From root to branch, yeah. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. We rise together. If your pocket dry and your head feel low, still plant love, make the good things grow. One can't carry what 10 can share. So we lift each other, true and fair. See the elder with his card open, show the youth how to read the land. No fancy words, just a steady creed. So good seed and return good seed. So when the night get cool and long, remember who you be, stand strong. No fear, gold could replace the bread. Real sustenance keep the people fed. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Stand firm, stand firm. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Feed one another. From root to branch we share. From root to branch, the breadfruit covenant, yeah. We rise together. When the storm come, we not scatter. Blessing show in a humble platter. If you fall, me not turn me face. Me go lift you up to your rightful place. Because a blessing where you give come back, like drum beat rolling down the track. And wisdom grow where the poor man pray. Breadfruit a bloom in a judgment day. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Stand firm, stand firm. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Feed one another. From root to branch we share. From root to branch, the breadfruit covenant, yeah. We rise together. So plan for tomorrow, no. Loving at the grow, loving at the grow. Breadfruit covenant, hold on true. What feed the one can carry the two. Beneath the tree, we find the sign. Breadfruit heavy, but it bend in time. Make no boast, just humility. One root strong, feed the whole family. From the yard to the mountainside, same sunshine on every skin and pride. Me say life no rush, it grow like rain. Even hard mud teach a man true pain. So when the breeze come, hear me reason. Every heart got it proper season. Hold firm now, don't lose your way. Jah put light in a common day. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Stand firm, stand firm. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Feed one another. From root to branch we share. From root to branch, the breadfruit covenant, yeah. We rise your pocket dry and your head feel low, still plant love, make the good things grow. One can't carry what 10 can share, so we lift each other. True and fair, see the elder with the scar up and show the youth how to read the land. No fancy words, just a steady creed. So good seed and return good seed. So when the night get cold and long, remember who you be, stand strong. No fear gold could replace the bread. Real sustenance keep the people fed. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Stand firm, stand firm. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Feed one another. From root to branch we share. From root to branch. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. We rise together. When the storm come, we now scatter. Blessing show in a humble platter. If you fall, me not turn me face. Me go lift you up to your rightful place. Because I bless you when you give come back like drum beat. Rolling down the track and wisdom grow. With the poor man pray breadfruit are bloom in a judgment here. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Stand firm, stand firm. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. Feed one another. From root to branch we share. From root to branch. The breadfruit covenant, yeah. We rise together. So plan for tomorrow, no. Love inna the drum, love inna the drum, love inna the drum. Breadfruit covenant, hold on true. What feed the one can carry the two. Under the breadfruit tree, me see the people. One branch, one shade, one heart in the heat. You no need gold chain fi proof say you're royal. When your belly full and your 2 foot on the street, old man say, hush, listen to the ground now. Every seed have to bow before it climb. From dry season lesson to the first rain blessing, life I broke through stone, one beat at that time. So hold on, brother, hold on, sister. What fi grow can't rush, what fi heal can't pretend. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Rise up, me people, rise up. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Share your load and grow. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. One tree, one drum, one love. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Just seed and move above. Me learn the gratitude sweet in the hard road. When you give thanks, even hunger lose him face. Waste no water, waste no words, waste no goodness. Cause every little mercy have a rightful place. Babylon love nice, but truth stay silent. A humble yard can raise a lion soul. Me see hope in a pot, me see strength in a pickle. Me see tomorrow in a one brown roll. So hold on, brother, hold on, sister. If the world feel cold, but not fear, let love step in. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Rise up, me people, rise up. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Share your load and grow. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. One tree, one drum, one love. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Just seed and move above. And if you fall, don't steer down long. Don't starve that show. Walk it through. The strongest fruit was once a small thing beneath the storm where nobody knew. So when the table bed thin and the night get long, remember who carry you through the fire. people rise up. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Share your load and grow up. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. One tree, one drum, one love. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Just see down, move above. Under the breadfruit tree, me see the people. One branch, one shade, one heart in a each. You no need gold chain fi prove say you're royal. When your belly full and you 2 foot on the street, old man say hush, listen to the ground now. Every seed have to bow before it climb. From dry season lesson to the first rain blessing. Life a broke through stone, one beat at a time. So hold on, brother, hold on, sister. What fi grow can't rush, what fi heal can't pretend. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Rise up, me people rise up. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Share your load and grow. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. One tree, one drum, one love. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Just see that move above. Me learn say gratitude sweeten the hard road. When you get thanks, even hunger losing fears. Waste no water, waste no words, waste no goodness. Cause every little mercy have a rightful place. Babylon love nice, but truth stay silent. A humble heart can raise a lion soul. Me see hope in a pot, me see strength in a pickle. Me see tomorrow in a one brown roll. So hold on, brother, hold on, sister. And if the world feel cold, burn up fear, let love step in. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Rise up, me people rise up. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Share your load and grow up. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. One tree, one drum, one love. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Just see that move above. And if you fall, don't stay down long. Dust off that show, walk it through. The strongest fruit was once a small thing beneath the storm where nobody knew. So when the table get thin and the night get long, remember who carry you through the fire. One and build, one and bless. That are the road to the highest higher. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Rise up, me people rise up. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Share your load and grow. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. One tree, one drum, one love. Breadfruit covenant, breadfruit covenant. Just see that move above. Hey. Oh, na 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 na. Oh, na 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 na. Under the breadfruit tree, me hear the old man speak. Plant your foot in on the side and keep your spirit sleep. He said life no be luck alone. It a rule and rhythm too. Every hand will be hard, get the sweet thing coming through. So me lift up me chin when the road get rough. Cause the roots them know we stronger than enough. From the mud come wisdom, from the wound come song. One covenant, one people hold firm and stay strong. Breadfruit covenant, feed we soul again. Breadfruit covenant, stand true sun and rain. Mash up fear, leave grace. Leave grace. Breadfruit covenant, we rise, we rise. Me see the hungry eye and the greedy one to one man hold the whole heap while the next one get few. But breadfruit in a season teach the truth plain and clear. If you share the table, brethren, there's more than enough here. So me lift up me hand for the youth them know. Let them learn from the elders how fi bend not bow. No gold chain wisdom, no fast bright show. Just the patient road and the fruit we grow. Breadfruit covenant, feed we soul again. Breadfruit covenant, stand true sun and rain. Mash up fear, leave grace. Leave grace. Breadfruit covenant, we rise, we rise. When the river run low and the sky look thin, still the seed of memory, still the light living. Truth is a hard yam, but it fill the belly right. Walk with humble steps, my friend, and your future shine bright.